Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today we are here with the topic of resources, which is we can say in different regions, in different forms, we can say in different organizations. Maybe the name of the sheet, register, ledger of that is different. So we are going to prepare resource allocation sheet, resource allocation register, you can say resource allocation diary, you can say resource allocation ledger, resource deployment plan, staffing plan if you are only doing staffing for direct and indirect labor. If you are involving the machinery over there, then maybe you can say resource diary. You can prepare these diaries daily, weekly, hourly, shift wise, monthly from your Primavera P6. As we have defined in our previous tutorial, which was the detailed tutorial about the resource loading, resource calculation, and also you can say cost allocation, each and everything we will cover over there. Then how to prepare, this is a general requirement from the clients and also your organization as well, that resource allocation ledger, register, and these all names, staffing plan. What is this? What is the purpose of that document? The purpose of that document for the contractor, for your organization, is that how much resources and how much manpower, tool, equipment per day wise, per hour wise you required. You have a plan, you have to plan ahead that on that day, suppose on Sunday, next Sunday, I need 3 laborers, 2 steel fixers, 4 masons, like that. This is the detail of the per day wise. You can prepare week wise, you can prepare month wise, you can prepare bi-monthly or quarterly, you can prepare hour wise, you can prepare shift wise, and we have option in Primavera P6. So today we are going to learn how to prepare these all names, staffing plan, resource deployment plan, resource allocation sheet, resource register, resource ledger, resource diary, whatever the name is about that. This is about the resources, how we are going to use or spend the money, how much resources we required on which day. It is in Primavera, but most of the clients require in Excel because everybody don't know how to read in Primavera. That's why date wise, day wise, they want to know about that. At the end, you have option to prepare an histogram, different and various histogram as per one by one resources. So first of all, we will move forward to Primavera P6. Open your Primavera P6. As we prepared here a sample project in our previous tutorial, we assigned a small resources over there for the some activities. For the same tutorial, we will go and move forward how to prepare that resource allocation sheet in Excel, how to import or export these all things. So today we are going to describe in very simple way how to do it. So here we will go in resource assignment. I have already opened that resource assignment. Now I have opened here only day wise, week per day, and we can see here per day units are this one for these all resources. So here we have option to see activity wise as I described, and also in our previous tutorial you can see it how to do filter and check the resources. So for the material resources there is a different topic and different subject, which material required which day, how much in kgs or whatever you can prepare in this sheet as well. And also the name for the resource is most of the that material requirement sheets, and also we can say commodity curves and material curves, material production per day, per month, how much we need which day and which month, which material we required. So here suppose as we assigned here over there for the some activities, some resources. So these are our resources to assign our project. First of all, how we can check it, this I have just custom layout. And also please comment on our tutorial that how we are going, is this understandable? Are you happy with that tutorial? So here how to get this way, how we will see. Here you can see layouts. There are layouts, you can open and save layouts over there. Hint help, no. Columns, you can add customized columns. I have already added this column for the resources only. So here table, rows and font, you can check our other tutorial, we have already explained over there. Here filter if you want only the resources, labor resources, and if you want only cost resources, only material resources or any other, you can filter here. Also this filter, apply filter on resources, is also described in other tutorial, you have to look over there. So here group and sort by. Here we can see group and sort by. How we want to see as a resource wise, this way. So this is resource way. So here other roles, if we want to say no role has been assigned over there. So here activity wise, if you want to say activity wise, survey, layout and this one, first of all expand all. Activity wise, which resource you have assigned over there? Activity wise survey, we have these resources over there for survey activity. This is for activity layout, excavation, as we assigned over there for the three activities only resources. That's why no, we are going to prepare as resource wise. Whatever you can cost account, project wise also you can see it, which activity has which resources project wise. But the easy way to create that is resource wise. And how I get the maximize. So you can see now activity wise is here, how much. So we have to close to up to the level 1, apply and OK. This view we have now over there. Here in the this way display, you have option, you can right click here, time scale, you can set out time scale. If you don't want to see 3 lines, 2 lines, project start, just from the project start. Font and colors you can set here. Calendar, week of year, no, we will say which calendar we have assigned, we need that calendar. So here how to customize. Here if I apply a year per quarter, you can see apply it. This is now quarter wise. So the secondly 3 months, year per month, this is now monthly. Apply, just move back. So in all resources, our assigned resources are in month wise. Suppose for the January, these all resources are applicable in January only. So now time scale, you can go from here as well, from the display here, from the time scale. So here year month, and now quarter per month, quarter monthly, you can see it, quarter per month, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. And here weekday 1, apply. Weekday 1 is week start from Sunday to, okay, go here. So here Sunday to Saturday. If we go time scale weekday 2, apply and OK. Sunday to Saturday. So these are the same. And here time scale, we will say if you want day shift, it will be show here the shift wise. Shift wise you also do it shift wise, shift 1, shift 2. Okay, 0, 0, 0. It is as per the shift view, day shift or night shift. If you have assigned over there the shifts, this tutorial shift tutorial is also uploaded, have a look over there. Day per hour, apply. Now this is how much, this is from 0 to 24 day per hour, in which hour we required to start that activity or resources in a day per hour. If you have assigned here the hour wise resource allocation, then you can see here that customize hour wise. So 23 and 24 hours, on which hours you need to consume that one. This is mostly we are using in shutdowns where only the total project has 24 hours or 10 hours shutdown, then we will look that hourly. So here other is financial period wise, you can do it. So here we can say week per day. I am going to do as a per day, but you can use that as weekly, monthly, whatever you want, or as your contractual requirement. So here as our project, here from here we can see it, our project is starting from 10th of January to 1st of June. So how we get it 10th of January to 1st of June. So how we will see it in resource allocation, that how much. This is January 8 because this week is starting from January 8. And also from the calendar, as you have mentioned over there, week start from Sunday, you can see it from Sunday. You can change it from Monday. You can put holidays over there, that Saturday and Sunday holiday, Monday, Tuesday holiday. In the calendars tutorial, you can see how to customize, and this resource assignment table will be shown according to your project calendar. So here this week is starting from 8, 9th and 10th. Now you can see here the values are coming from 10th of January. As our project is going up to the June, then we have to go. So here, first of all, I have prepared a sample of the resource allocation ledger, sheet, whatever you want to say from the start of. This is from previous any other project. We have the segregation. We will learn how to put resources over there and see the total number of resources. So here you can see here I have prepared this ledger up to the 1st of June 23rd. I have customized that dates are over there. I have put the dates this way. If your presentation is good, then client will also be happy. The presentation has a main role in your working. So here if we can see here that in Primavera also you can export sheets from the, you can see it, the spreadsheet. As a spreadsheet you can also export this sheet. I already uploaded that lecture as well. If you want to export by the Primavera, then see export spreadsheet, how to export. Otherwise the simple way is that just shift and select all the resources. If you want to select the labor resources, then labor resources. Otherwise direct, indirect. As if you remember in our previous tutorial, I have described that management team has a crew production. That's why one resource I am adding. Over there is a team. So here we just copy. By this way you can, or you can close to level 1, apply and control A. Okay, control copy, and we will go into the Excel. Here we just go here and paste here. Now what we will do, maybe we can delete the activities from here, or we can apply the filter over there. So here maybe we can say only we will apply a filter here. I just show you how to apply the filter over there, because we have assigned only small resources, that's why it looks like that. So here how to apply the filter, just Excel, go here, get filter from here, filter. Okay, what we will do here, we just say blanks we need but other we don't need. So select from here to here and delete this one, delete rows. Okay, now check the blanks only. Okay, now these are your resources. Resource wise you can do it. These are your resources. Activity name, if you want to hide, spreadsheet field, delete it, I don't need. Now here if you remove the filter, then again filter you will remove it. Here now you can see if you have the all resources are assigned, then you have up to June. So these resources are assigned. How we will manage, because management team has too many resources over there. So as this was a crew production, this one for the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th is holiday. So here copy simply one by one you can do it. If you have created this sheet over there, then you can do it combinedly as well. So from 10th of January, this one paste special values. Now this one is how much, and as we did the crew production over there, do it by this way. So how much resources hours we need. If you are doing as a person or one, you can say it. Now it's telling us that project manager is required on 10th of January for 8 hours. If you want to say 1, if you want to doing as a staffing plan, then you have to write here the 1, don't write hours. You can convert into the man days. So here that looks better. If you want to use as a man hours, it is also good. So here this is now we added over there. So these are the indirect resources. We go again sheet 2 and supervisor, surveyor, helper, operator. Now these are 4 our direct labor resources. So here maybe we can copy this one simply in simple way and direct here one we will add here, Control C and insert copy cell 2A4 resource. Maybe you, if you don't want to write this one, it's up to you. So here we just copy these resources, sheet 1, and if you want to say direct is okay. In general, these you don't want to write, okay, just delete this one. And simple way you can, if you want to use this one, mechanical work, electrical work, civil team, like that, administration, journal, quantity, quality, these you can use it. If you don't want to use it, just delete it. And what you will do here, maybe we can copy one resource from here to just carry the formatting, insert copy cell here. Okay, what we will do, this is a reference, it's going as, so here we will do it some formula. How we will auto sum? Okay, we want to sum from here. Okay, D15, this is C15. What we will do, just see C15. So this formula is taking from the bottom side. Okay, just if you want to drag this formula, you can drag it, or copy paste special formula, or you can say it. Okay, now you can see it's here, and just simply copy and insert copy cell up to the 4 numbers. We can say it copy and insert copy cell. Okay, these are 4 resources, 1.1, no, 2.1, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, ABC, you can use that as well. So now we will copy our resources here, copy and paste special values over there. These are now values. Now we will copy our resource allocation. Maybe we can delete first this one because we carry this from top. Okay, these 3 resources here, 4 resources from here to here, and then up to the end wherever ours are. Control copy and paste special. If you have customized this sheet before copying from Primavera, you can directly copy all and paste over there. So now here you can see how much we required over there in a day. Here 80, 72. Then if it is taking, no, the formula is taking only 1 row. So here what we will say it, from here to here. Okay, now it's okay, it's carrying all. So drag again or copy paste special formula. Okay, now you can see here the difference between, now this is direct and indirect. If you want to show here the total for this direct and indirect, okay, now if you want to put over there for the suppose for the, now these are the survey tool, car, excavator, these 3 are now our equipment resources. Now here you can say it different as a direct, indirect, and here if you want to show here the total for this one as well, okay, otherwise we can just copy and say here the 3 tools or equipments, tools and equipments. Okay, tools and equipments, maybe we can say here 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. How much equipment we are using? First of all, we have to delete this one because these are make us confused. So here maybe any other color we will do it. So here survey, copy these resources and go here, paste special values, because we are saving our formatting, that's why we are doing paste special values. So here which resources are those resources here. Survey tools, cars and excavator, copy and paste. How much cars hours we need which day. So by the same way we will just do here. So here it is doing. If you want again to copy total, because now direct and indirect is okay, total for total. If you include this tool, maybe this is a different confusion over there. So maybe you can hide this one. I am hiding this one. Now again, maybe the material resources, insert copy cell. If you have a project, then maybe too many resources, it's go up to the 30 pages or 40 pages. So here tools and equipment, maybe we can say fourth. Item number is material. Okay, go here and see the material resources. Because the cost is a material resource, cost we will do it as a separate, or you can combine into the, but cost we will get it separately. Excavation quantity, limestone and quantity of work. So limestone is here the material, but these are the quantities. Now if you want to prepare a quantity for the work, now you can, because this one is quantity, you can use it as a commodity curve, is a better way. How much quantity you have to do in which day. Suppose here excavation you have to do on 16th and 17th January, you have to put over there the formula and you can do it by other way. And commodity curve and material resources we will go in next tutorial. For this one we just assign the cost or material resource only. So limestone powder is only one resource, maybe we can take it from here, go here, material and paste special here, values 4.1, and other material resources will be go on. So delete it, before delete it, and come here. Limestone we required when, from the 10th of January up to wherever, we will just copy and go here again, paste special here the values, which date we required 10 kg limestone on for 12th of January, we required this one, we need this one. By this way you can plan accordingly, or your administration department, because they don't understand what is the histogram or S-curve is saying, how to prepare. In this way you can arrange your company top management, your administration, HR department, hire your resources according to this sheet, and also this is helpful for your client as well. And with the same way you can prepare for the cost, how much cost we required. Maybe we can prepare one cost resource here, cost. Okay, insert copy cell, 5, which is now cost 5.1, and say here cost. And if you want to put here the material is okay, material resource means quantity, you can also do it by this way, but the quantity better way is that you have to do commodity curve. So cost we will write over there manually, copy this one from 10th of January, this is 10th of January, paste special values over there, and also you can have a dollar sign over there for this one as well. So maybe we can expand a little bit to see our values. Okay, dollar sign, your currency sign you can put over there. This is cost. Now how much we required on 10th of January, how much required 11th of January, 12th of January, 13th of January. By this way you can prepare your these all staffing plan, resource deployment plan, allocation sheet, resource register, ledger, diary, whatever you call this document is the main how to prepare this one. Hopefully this tutorial is also helpful for you people. Please like, share and comment on our all social media platform. Follow us any of platform, YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter. We are helping you people. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.